Good morning, students. Welcome to the e-classes of Rockgold Academy. Today I am Riya Namdev once again with new chapter number 8, Money. This is for class 5 Mathematics. You have studied this chapter before in your previous class. So first we will discuss some introduction that you have already discussed in your previous class. So here 1 rupee equal 100 paise. You know there are 100 paise in 1 rupees. Means rupees 1 equal 100 paise. This is the sign for rupees and this is the sign for paise. Now see how to convert rupees into paise and paise into rupees. Whenever you have to convert rupees into paise, what will we do? Here question is rupees 54. So first write rupees 1 equal 100 paise. Right? Then rupees 54. You have to convert rupees 54 into paise. So 54 will be multiplied by 100. So this will be in paise. 54 multiplied by 100 will be 5400 paise. Right? Now second is rupees 384.75. Now again rupees 1 equal 100 paise. Right? So rupees 384.75 equal 384.75 multiplied by 100. So this will be in paise. Now see, here is decimal. So you have to remove this decimal first. For that, remove this decimal and in the place of decimal there will be 1. And here are 2 digits after decimal. So you will put 2 zeros for that. Now see, 100 multiply upar 100. So 100 will be cancel out with 100. So number is 384 एंड अगर आपने यहाँ से डेसिमल हटा दिया है तो 75 आपको इसके साथ ही लिखना है. तो आंसर हो जाएगा आपका 38,475 पैसे. ओके. नाउ whenever you have to convert paise into rupees, what will we do? Question is 4,000 paise. Now write this means 100 paise equal rupees 1. You have to write this relation in opposite way, means 100 paise equal rupees 1. Now 1 paise आप क्या लिख सकते हो? 1 upon 100 rupees means 1 paise equal हो जाएगा rupees 1 upon 100. So 4,000 paise will be 4,000 multiplied by 1 upon 100. Right? So यहाँ पे आप 2 zeros will be cancel out. 2 0. 40 multiply 1. So 40 ones are 40. So 4,000 paise equal rupees 40. Now second is 875 paise. Again 100 paise equal rupees 1. Now 1 paise equal 1 upon 100 rupees. So 875 paise equal 875 multiplied by 1 upon 100. Now see, 875 multiply 1, 875 upon 100. अब आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे कुछ कैंसिल आउट नहीं हो रहा है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? डेसिमल पुट करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द जीरोज. राइट? जितनी जीरोज होती है हम उतनी डिजिट पहले क्या करते हैं? डेसिमल पुट करते हैं. तो 1 2 आपको लिखना है रुपीज 8.75. सो 875 पैसे इक्वल रुपीज 8.75. Now we will discuss the unitary method. This method tells us which one is the better deal. Now what is it? The price of one object of a type is called unit price. Means one object, किसी भी object का one object का price क्या होता है? Unit price. And the method of finding the unit price is called the unitary method. Means unit price को find करने के जो method होता है that is called unitary method. Now how to apply it? Example is price of 7 pencils is rupees 35. Find the price of 1 pencil. Right. So now you have given price of 7 pencils equal rupees 35. Right. This is given. Now we have to find the price of 1 pencil. Means unit price. This is unit price. So what will we do? Rupees 35. This rupees will be divided by 7 because there are 7 pencils for rupees 35. So you have to divide 35 by 7. Now 35 divided by 7. What will we get? 7 5s are 35. Right? So rupees 5. 7 5s are 35. So price of 1 pencil is rupees 5. Now see an example in which you have to use the unitary method. Question is, if the cost of 7 meter of rope is rupees 210, find the cost of 10 meter of rope. Means आपको 7 meter rope की जो cost है that is given and you have to find the cost of 10 meter of rope. So first you will write cost of 7 meter rope and that is rupees 210. Right. Now you have to find the cost of 1 meter rope, means unit price. So cost of 1 meter rope, that will be rupees 210 will be divided by 7. Right. So 210 divided by 7. 7 3 ja 21 and this 0 will be in quotient. तो आंसर हो गया आपका 30, means rupees 30. Now you have to find the cost of 10 meter of rope. So cost of 10 meter rope equal 10 मीटर के लिए हमने 10 लिया है और मल्टीप्लाई करनी है आपको उसमें रुपीज 30. मीन्स आपको यूनिट प्राइस में नंबर ऑफ जो आपको गिवन है उससे आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो 10 मल्टीप्लाई 30 विल बी रुपीज 300. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. प्रॉफिट मीन्स लाभ एंड लॉस मीन्स हानि. In this, first we will discuss some basic terms. First is CP, means cost price. The price at which an item is bought is called CP. Means जिस price पर किसी item को खरीदा जाता है that is called CP, cost price. Second is SP, means selling price. The price at which an item is sold is called SP. मीन्स जिस प्राइस पर किसी आइटम को बेचा जाता है, सोल्ड मीन्स बेचा जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एसपी, सेलिंग प्राइस. नाउ प्रॉफिट, व्हाट इज प्रॉफिट? व्हेन द एसपी इज मोर देन द सीपी. मीन्स जब आपका सेलिंग प्राइस कॉस्ट प्राइस से ज्यादा होता है, देन देयर इज अ प्रॉफिट. मीन्स वहां पर आपको प्रॉफिट होगा, यानी कि आपको लाभ होगा. So formula will be profit equal SP minus CP because SP is greater than CP. So SP minus CP. What is loss? When the CP is more than the SP, there is a loss. Means जब आपका cost price ज़्यादा होता है selling price से, so there will be a loss, means L. So formula will be loss equal CP माइनस SP. आपको कॉस्ट प्राइस से सेलिंग प्राइस को माइनस करना है बिकॉज CP इज मोर देन SP. नाउ सी एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. क्वेश्चन इज सोनम बॉट अ कप सेट फॉर रुपीज 650 एंड सोल्ड इट फॉर रुपीज 850. फाइंड हर प्रॉफिट और लॉस. मीन्स सोनम ने एक कप सेट 650 रुपीज में खरीदा है, सो दिस इज CP, कॉस्ट प्राइस. एंड सोल्ड इट फॉर रुपीज 850. उसने 850 रुपीज में उसको बेच दिया है, सो दिस इज SP. फाइंड हर प्रॉफिट और लॉस, आपको बताना है उसको प्रॉफिट हुआ है या लॉस और कितना हुआ है. सो फर्स्ट राइट कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ कप सेट and that is CP equal rupees 650. Now selling price of cup set means SP equal rupees 850. Right, now see which one is greater, CP or SP? SP. So since SP is greater than CP means selling price cost price से ज़्यादा है, तो वहाँ पर क्या होगा, so there is a profit, right, क्योंकि जितने में उसने खरीदा है उससे ज़्यादा रुपीज़ में उसने उसको बेच दिया है, so obviously there is a profit. Now write the formula of profit. Profit P equal SP minus CP. So what is the value of SP? That is rupees 850 minus cost price of, that is 650. Now 850 minus 650. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 6 is 2. So, rupees 200 will be the profit of the cup set. Next topic is finding the cost price and selling price. First is finding the CP, means cost price. First condition is when the profit P earned is given, means जब आपको profit given होगा question में, so this formula will be used, that is CP equal SP minus P. P for profit means आपको selling price में से profit को minus करना है, so you will get the CP. Second is when the loss incurred is given, means जब जिस question में आपको loss given होगा, so this formula will be used, that is CP equal SP plus L. means आपको selling price में लॉस को ऐड करना है, सो यू विल गेट CP. राइट, नाउ फाइंडिंग द SP. फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज व्हेन द प्रॉफिट P अर्नड इज गिवन, मीन्स आपको क्वेश्चन में प्रॉफिट गिवन है, सो दिस फॉर्मूला विल बी यूज्ड, दैट इज SP इक्वल CP प्लस P. मीन्स आपको कॉस्ट प्राइस में प्रॉफिट को ऐड करना है, सो यू विल गेट SP. नाउ सेकेंड इज व्हेन द लॉस इनकर्ड इज गिवन, मीन्स आपको लॉस गिवन है, सो दिस फॉर्मूला SP इक्वल CP माइनस L विल बी यूज्ड, मीन्स कॉस्ट प्राइस से आपको लॉस माइनस करना है, सो यू विल गेट SP. नाउ सी अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ इट. शानवी bought an ice box for rupees 535. She sold it at a loss of rupees 60. What was the selling price of the ice box? Now see, Sanvi bought an ice box for rupees this, so this will be the cost price, right? She sold it at a loss of rupees 60. So loss कितना है यहाँ पर, rupees 60. We have to find the selling price of the ice box. Now first write cost of the ice box. Right, cost price of the ice box, that is CP equal rupees 535. This is the CP. Now second is loss L equal, that is rupees 60. Now we have to find the selling price. So write the formula of selling price, SP, because here loss is given, so formula will be cost price means CP minus loss means L. Now what is the value of CP? CP is rupees 535 minus loss is rupees 60. आपको cost price से loss को minus करना है, so you will get SP. Now 535 minus 60. 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 6 not possible, so 3 will get borrowed. 13 minus 6, 7, and 5 will become 4. So 475 rupees, 475. So thus the SP of ice box is rupees 475, because this is a word problem, so you have to write in the end. Thus the SP of the ice box is rupees 475. So this chapter ends here. I hope you understood all the concepts of this chapter.